Do you love the sizzle of a juicy steak on the grill? Does the smoky aroma of barbecued chicken make your mouth water? Well, before you dive into that charred meaty goodness, let's talk about the not-so-savory side of grilling: carcinogens. Yes, those pesky little chemicals can cause changes in DNA and potentially lead to cancer. But don't worry, we've got some tips and tricks to help you still enjoy your summer cookouts without sacrificing your health. So grab your tongs and let's get cooking. Grilling is a popular summer pastime for many people, and there's nothing quite like the aroma of meat cooking over an open flame. However, did you know that grilling meat can produce potentially harmful chemicals? While there is no direct causation between consuming grilled food and cancer, it is true that cooking meat over an open flame can result in the formation of carcinogenic compounds. When meat is cooked at high temperatures, such as through grilling or charbroiling, it can produce chemicals called heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, both of which are known to be carcinogenic. HCAS and PAHs have been shown to cause changes in DNA that can lead to the development of cancer. HCAS form when the heat causes the sugars and amino acids in the meat to react. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are generated when the fat of meat is burnt by the flame and can attach to the cooking meat. In addition, when grilling, one can also be exposed to PAHs present in the smoke. As the duration and temperature of cooking meat increase, so does the amount of HCAS and PAHs, making time a significant factor in the formation of these harmful compounds. Additionally, cooking meat to the point of charring or blackening increases the formation of these chemicals. But before you cancel all of your barbecue plans, it's worth noting that not all grilled or charred meats pose an equal threat. There are a few ways to minimize exposure to carcinogens. These are: marinating the meat in an acidic marinade, such as vinegar, lemon juice, or wine, can help reduce the formation of carcinogenic compounds. Studies have shown that marinating meat for at least 30 minutes can reduce the formation of HCAS by up to 92%. Pre-cooking the meat in the oven or microwave before grilling can help reduce the amount of time it needs to spend on the grill, which in turn reduces the formation of HCAS and PAHs. Flipping the meat frequently and trimming off any excess fat can help reduce the formation of carcinogenic compounds. This helps to prevent flare-ups on the grill and reduces the time the meat spends in contact with the heat. Cooking meat at a lower temperature and using indirect heat can help reduce the formation of HCAS and PAHs. It may take a bit longer to cook, but the reduction in carcinogens can be worth it. Additionally, incorporating a variety of plant-based foods in your diet can help to counteract the effects of potential carcinogens. In conclusion, while grilling meat can be a tasty and fun way to enjoy a meal, it's important to be aware of the potential risks associated with consuming high levels of HCAS and PAHs. So next time you fire up the grill, remember to flip your meat, skip the charred bits, and maybe add a side of veggies to balance things out. After all, a little bit of prevention can go a long way towards preserving your health and your taste buds. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this topic. Thanks for watching.